Hello everyone, Google just released one of the biggest updates to AI Studio yet, vibe coding, a new way to go from a single prompt to a complete AI-powered app. You just describe your idea once, and Google's AI Studio does everything for you. It understands exactly what your app needs, whether that's text generation, image creation, data extraction, or voice, and builds the whole interface automatically. It's designed to take you from idea to a working app in minutes. So in this video, we're going to use Google AI Studio's new vibe coding feature to build something every researcher will actually use, a research article analyzer. You'll be creating a real customizable tool, a complete mini research assistant built inside Google AI Studio with just one prompt. And the best part is, thanks to this new vibe coding update, it takes less than a few minutes from start to finish. So let's get started. So here's what we're going to build: a research article analyzer that takes any academic paper and turns it into structured, useful insight in minutes. It will summarize the article, evaluate it against your own research questions, and score its quality for clarity, rigor, and evidence strength. You'll even get a keyword cloud visual showing the paper's main themes, and you can export the full analysis as a Google Doc or PDF, ready to drop straight into your literature review. So the first thing you need to do is head over to aistudio.google.com/apps or aistudio.google.com and click on Build. You'll see the main box where it says Describe your app. This is where we'll add our prompt, and then depending on what we need our app to do, we can add any of these features under Supercharge Your Apps with AI. So I am going to select these: generate images with a prompt, analyze images, Gemini intelligence in your app, fast AI responses, think more when needed. These give you everything you need for text extraction, analysis, and image generation. Now, in the main prompt box, we'll add this prompt, which I'll leave below for you in the description. Create a web app called Research Article Analyzer. Allow the user to upload a research article in PDF format. Add a text box where users can enter one or more research questions, one per line. Use Gemini intelligence to extract and summarize. Title, authors, year, objective, method, key findings, implications, and limitations. At the end of the summary, include a quality check metrics block with 3 quick scores: clarity of research question, rigor of methodology, and evidence strength, each on a 1 to 5 scale, with one interpretation line like strong methodological design but limited evidence depth. Create a table called Evaluation of Findings Against Research Questions with columns Research Question, Related Findings or Evidence, Relevance, High, Medium, Low, and Brief Evaluation. Add an overall relevant summary paragraph that explains how the paper contributes to the user's research focus, then extract the 10 to 15 most frequent or important keywords and use them to generate a professional-style word cloud image with a white background and neutral blue-gray palette. Finally, add 2 export buttons, one for export to Google Docs and another for export as PDF. Once you've pasted the prompt, click Build. You'll see AI Studio start to set everything up. It might take a few seconds. When the build is complete, you should see a simple interface with 2 input fields, one to upload your PDF and one to type your research questions. So now let's test it out. We'll start by uploading a research article. Next, we'll type in our research questions, 1 per line. After we've entered that, then we'll click Analyze. And so now let's look at the output. How amazing is that? It's followed our instructions perfectly and come back with a fully structured summary. It's added the title, the authors, and the year of publication, then broken everything down into clear sections: objective, method, key findings, implications, and limitations. The objective section is concise and to the point. It explains exactly what the study aimed to do, how it explored AI-induced job displacement, and even the reasoning behind it. Then the method section goes deeper, describing the data source, the sample size, and the analytical model used. Then we have the key findings. It's summarized who faces the highest AI displacement risk, the contrasting perceptions across job roles, and even highlighted that AI complements rather than replaces labor. This is exactly the level of insight we want for research synthesis or literature reviews. And here's the quality check metrics block: 3 clean gauges for clarity, rigor, and evidence strength, all rated out of 5. It looks great visually and instantly shows how solid the paper is. You even get a short interpretation line that sums it up. The study is well structured and clearly presented, employing a robust empirical method with strong statistical evidence, simple, clear, and exactly what you'd want in a quick research evaluation. And here's the evaluation of findings against research questions table. It's automatically taken my research questions and matched them with related findings from the article. Each question comes with a relevance rating, high, medium, or low, and a short evaluation summary on the right. So for this first research question, we can see the relevance is marked as high. It's also linked the key findings directly to it and added a short evaluation explaining why it's such a strong fit. It's a quick visual way to see which papers actually address your research focus and exactly what you'd want for quickly checking how each paper aligns with your study focus. And finally, here's the keywords and themes section. The app automatically pulls out the main concepts from the paper and displays them neatly here. Then just below, you'll see the keyword cloud of dominant themes. It's fully generated from the article's own text, with the most frequent or important terms appearing larger. You'll notice that sometimes a few words aren't returned perfectly, so you might need to regenerate or clean the text slightly before using it. It's professional looking, and you can even download it straight from here. So basically, in just a few minutes, we built a complete research assistant inside Google AI Studio. You can upload any paper, get a clear summary, check how it aligns with your research questions, score its quality, visualize its key themes, and export everything as a clean, ready-to-use report. It's fast, it's customizable, and it helps you move from reading to insight without losing time. And the best part is, this entire app was built from a single prompt using Google's new vibe coding feature. What's exciting is that this is just the beginning. With vibe coding, you can build so much more: study tools, dashboards, data visualizers, writing assistants, or even your own automated research workspace. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical AI workflows for research, writing, and productivity. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one.